The Secrets of Ancient Egyptian Pyramids. Welcome, everyone! Imagine standing before one of the most iconic and mysterious structures in the world, the Great Pyramid of Giza. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of ancient Egyptian pyramids, exploring not just their breathtaking grandeur, but the enigma that has surrounded them for millennia. The pyramids were built over 4,500 years ago, yet they still puzzle historians, archaeologists, and scientists. How did ancient Egyptians construct these colossal structures without modern technology? What hidden chambers could lie within? And what role did they truly play in the lives of pharaohs? Stick around, because we'll uncover astonishing discoveries, shocking theories, and explore a mystery that's captivated humanity for centuries. But first, let's break down the incredible architectural feats of the pyramids themselves. Section 1. The Architecture. How were they built? When you stand in front of the Great Pyramid, it's hard to grasp the sheer scale of it. Think about this. It was originally 481 feet tall. That's taller than a 40-story skyscraper. Yet, it's built from over 2.3 million limestone blocks, some weighing as much as 80 tons. And to put that into perspective, each of these blocks was transported from quarries, sometimes miles away, without the use of cranes or heavy machinery. Sounds impossible, right? But here's where it gets fascinating. Recent discoveries suggest the ancient Egyptians may have used simple, yet incredibly effective methods like ramps and sledges to move these massive stones. Some theories propose a spiral ramp that wrapped around the pyramid as it was being built. Others suggest they used water to reduce friction, making transportation easier. Still, the question remains, how did they manage such precision? How did they align these massive blocks with such accuracy without modern tools? Let's dive into that next. The construction of the ancient Egyptian pyramids is one of the greatest engineering feats in history. The Great Pyramid of Giza, standing at 481 feet tall, was built with over 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing as much as 80 tons. But how did the ancient Egyptians move such massive stones without modern machines? The answer lies in a combination of simple yet effective methods. Workers likely used ramps to transport the blocks up the pyramid's sides and sledges to drag them across the ground. Some theories even suggest they used water to lubricate the sand, reducing friction and making it easier to move the stones. Despite their lack of modern tools, the Egyptians achieved incredible precision. The pyramids are aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal points, and the geometry used in their design is so precise it still leaves us in awe today. Their methods were not just efficient, they were brilliantly designed to withstand the test of time. The secrets of the construction process: precision and alignment. The precision in the construction of the pyramids is nothing short of astonishing. The Great Pyramid is aligned to true north with an accuracy of just 0.067 degrees. But how did the ancient Egyptians manage such a feat without a compass? Well, it's believed that they used the stars. Specifically, they aligned the pyramids with the stars in the constellation Orion, which was associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife. But it doesn't stop there. The mathematical precision is mind-blowing. The perimeter of the Great Pyramid, when divided by twice its height, gives an astonishingly close approximation of pi, 3.1416. To achieve this level of accuracy using only simple tools and their knowledge of geometry is a true testament to their advanced understanding of mathematics. And the mystery deepens when we consider the internal chambers. Despite the pyramid's massive size, the inner passages and chambers are crafted with a level of complexity that still baffles engineers today. But could there be even more hidden chambers yet to be discovered? One of the most astounding aspects of the Egyptian pyramids is their incredible precision. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, is aligned to true north with an accuracy of just 0.067 degrees. This kind of precision without the aid of modern instruments is mind-boggling. How did the Egyptians achieve this? Experts believe they used the stars to align the pyramids, specifically the stars in the constellation Orion, which was associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife. In addition, the pyramids were perfectly aligned with the solstices, showcasing their advanced knowledge of astronomy. But the precision doesn't stop with their alignment. The geometry of the pyramids, especially the Great Pyramid, mirrors the golden ratio, a mathematical constant found in nature, art, and architecture. This incredible precision in both alignment and design speaks to the ancient Egyptians' advanced understanding of mathematics and their deep connection to the cosmos. Section 3. Hidden Chambers. What's still waiting to be uncovered? Over the years, we've learned a lot about the Great Pyramid's internal structure. But did you know that in recent years, groundbreaking technology has revealed hidden chambers within? Using a technique called muon tomography, scientists discovered a hidden corridor, nearly 30 feet long, tucked above the main entrance. No one knew it was there until this technology came into play. And that's just the beginning. There are other anomalies that have been detected inside the pyramid. Temperature fluctuations, strange air flows, and unexplained voids have led some to believe that the Great Pyramid still holds many secrets, possibly even chambers that were deliberately sealed off by ancient builders. Could these voids be hiding treasures, or perhaps even an undiscovered burial chamber? Some researchers believe that the pyramid's structure was designed with hidden passages to protect the pharaoh's spirit on its journey to the afterlife. Could they be clues to something much bigger? Hidden chambers, what's still waiting to be uncovered, refers to the ongoing exploration of concealed or undiscovered spaces within ancient structures, particularly in places like Egypt. These hidden chambers, often thought to contain lost artifacts or knowledge, continue to captivate the imagination of archaeologists and historians. One notable example is the discovery of a potential hidden void in the Great Pyramid of Giza, detected through cosmic ray muon imaging in 2017. This find has sparked debates about its significance and what might lie within. Similarly, the theory that hidden chambers may exist behind the walls of King Tutankhamun's tomb, potentially holding the remains of Queen Nefertiti, remains a subject of ongoing exploration. These mysteries highlight the excitement and uncertainty surrounding ancient sites, with modern technology pushing the boundaries of discovery. While some chambers have been uncovered, many questions still remain about what might be waiting to be found in these ancient structures. Section 4. Astronomical Alignments. A connection to the stars. We can't talk about the pyramids without mentioning their incredible astronomical alignments. The ancient Egyptians didn't just build these pyramids for the pharaohs, they were designed with the heavens in mind. Take the 3 pyramids of Giza, for example. Their positioning directly mirrors the stars in the constellation Orion, which was associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife. The Egyptians believed that the pharaohs would ascend to the stars upon their death, and these pyramids were essentially their launch pads to the heavens. But what's even more mysterious is the fact that the pyramids weren't just aligned to the stars, they were aligned to the solstices as well. The Great Pyramid's entrance faces perfectly east, aligning with the sunrise during the spring equinox. This shows an extraordinary understanding of astronomy. How did they do this without telescopes? The pyramids of ancient Egypt were not just architectural marvels, they were also designed with the stars in mind. The 3 main pyramids at Giza are aligned with remarkable accuracy to the stars in the constellation Orion, which was associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife. This alignment reflects the Egyptians' belief in the connection between the pharaohs and the heavens, as they saw the stars as pathways to the afterlife. Moreover, the Great Pyramid's entrance is perfectly oriented with the sunrise on the spring equinox, while other pyramids align with key points on the horizon, showcasing the Egyptians' deep understanding of celestial events. These astronomical alignments weren't just symbolic, they played a role in the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife, guiding their soul through the stars to eternity. Section 5. The purpose, tombs, or something more. It's commonly believed that the pyramids were built as tombs for the pharaohs, a place for them to rest for eternity. But what if they were more than just tombs? In recent years, theories have emerged suggesting that the pyramids may have had other purposes entirely. Some researchers believe that they were used for astronomical observations, while others suggest they could have been energy generators. The idea of the pyramids acting as power sources comes from the observation of their unique shape and the materials used in their construction. Some even argue that the pyramids were designed to harness and store energy from the Earth's magnetic field. Could they have served as some kind of ancient power plant? While this theory is still debated, it raises the question, were the pyramids merely tombs, or were they something more? While the most common belief is that the pyramids served as tombs for Egypt's pharaohs, some researchers argue they may have had additional purposes. The sheer scale and complexity of these structures suggest they could have been multifunctional. Some theories propose that the pyramids were used for astronomical observations, acting as tools to track the stars and celestial events. Others believe they may have had a role in ancient Egyptian rituals or even served as energy sources, harnessing the Earth's natural magnetic fields. These possibilities suggest that the pyramids weren't just burial sites, but symbols of power, knowledge, and cosmic connection, designed with more than just a tomb in mind. Section 6. The mathematical genius, the golden ratio, and pi. Now let's talk about the mathematics behind the pyramids. As mentioned earlier, the Great Pyramid's dimensions seem to follow the golden ratio and even give an approximation of pi. This isn't just a coincidence, it's a deliberate design. The golden ratio, a mathematical constant found throughout nature, art, and architecture, is evident in the proportions of the pyramid. Some researchers believe that the Egyptians used this ratio in their designs, reflecting a deep understanding of geometry and nature. And the fact that they also approximated pi, well, that suggests an advanced level of mathematical knowledge that we're only now beginning to comprehend. The ancient Egyptians displayed extraordinary mathematical knowledge, especially in their pyramid designs. One of the most remarkable features of the Great Pyramid is its adherence to the golden ratio, a principle found throughout nature, art, and architecture. This ratio, approximately 1.618, is evident in the proportions of the pyramid's structure, suggesting the Egyptians had an advanced understanding of geometry far ahead of their time. What's even more intriguing is how the pyramid's dimensions seem to approximate the value of pi, 3.1416. If you divide the pyramid's perimeter by twice its height, the result is astonishingly close to pi, a number essential to modern mathematics. This alignment with both the golden ratio and pi reflects an incredible precision in design, suggesting that the Egyptians applied advanced mathematical concepts that still amaze scholars today. Section 7. The legacy of the pyramids. Why do they endure? So what is it about the pyramids that continues to captivate us? Perhaps it's their sheer scale, their complexity, or the mysteries they hold within. These structures have survived for over 4,500 years, standing as a testament to the ingenuity of ancient Egyptians. But their legacy goes beyond just being monumental tombs. They are symbols of a culture that was incredibly advanced in ways we are still learning to understand. The pyramids remind us of humanity's ability to create something truly lasting and awe-inspiring. They challenge us to think about our own place in history and the secrets we have yet to uncover. The pyramids of Egypt have stood the test of time for over 4,500 years, enduring through centuries of political upheaval, natural disasters, and the ever-evolving march of human history. But what is it about these ancient structures that has made them not just survive, but continue to captivate and inspire people around the world? At their core, the pyramids symbolize more than just the power and wealth of the pharaohs. They embody the advanced knowledge, technological innovation, and cultural richness of ancient Egypt. The sheer scale of the Great Pyramid of Giza, along with its precise construction, continues to evoke awe, as it was built long before modern machinery or engineering tools existed. This remarkable feat of construction makes the pyramids a testament to human ingenuity and determination. Their legacy is not only physical, but also philosophical. The pyramids represent a bridge between the earthly realm and the divine. The ancient Egyptians believed that these monumental structures would ensure the pharaoh's safe passage to the afterlife, aligning them with the stars and the gods. As such, the pyramids carry an enduring spiritual significance, reflecting the Egyptians' belief in immortality, cosmic order, and the connection between the living and the divine. The enduring mystery surrounding their construction and purpose has only added to their mystique. Despite centuries of study, we are still unraveling the secrets of the pyramids. With each new discovery, whether it's hidden chambers, advanced mathematical principles, or astronomical alignments, the pyramids continue to offer new insights into ancient Egyptian culture and the human capacity for achievement. Moreover, the pyramids' influence extends far beyond Egypt. They have inspired countless generations of architects, engineers, and artists throughout history. Their image has been adopted into cultures and ideologies worldwide, often symbolizing strength, resilience, and transcendence. Even today, they serve as a reminder of humanity's potential to create lasting monuments that withstand the ravages of time. In the modern world, the pyramids remain a focal point for exploration, tourism, and research. They attract millions of visitors each year, continuing to stimulate curiosity and wonder. But their true legacy lies in their ability to endure as cultural icons, monuments of architectural brilliance, and symbols of the enduring human quest for knowledge and meaning. As long as they stand, the pyramids will continue to inspire and challenge us to look beyond the present and connect with the ancient wisdom of the past. As we close this journey into the secrets of the Egyptian pyramids, remember this: we've only scratched the surface. With new technology, discoveries, and theories emerging every day, who knows what secrets are still waiting to be unlocked within these ancient structures? The pyramids will continue to captivate us for generations to come, holding their mysteries tightly, as they have for thousands of years. And as we continue to explore, we just might uncover even greater insights into the minds of those who built them. So, what do you think? Are the pyramids simply tombs, or is there something far more extraordinary hiding within? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of the pyramids, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on our next adventure into the unknown. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating mysteries uncovered, and let us know which pyramid mystery you'd like us to explore next in the comments.